Because I know one of the big sticking points you are going to have is how you're doing here with the class. So, despite my reaching out a couple of times here, I know that's not enough. And I know this isn't a problem that's affecting everybody. It looks like for Eagle, most of you can see your grades, but there are a few of you who cannot. So, just in case you are in the few of you who presently don't seem to be able to get your score overall in Eagle, the easiest way to check it is here in my IT lab. Remember that 60% of your overall score is here in my IT lab. Now, yours is going to look a little bit differently than mine. For instance, you don't have instructor notifications, admin tools, etc. But what you would do is once you have signed here in through the course, over on the left-hand side, you'll see grades. If you go ahead and click on that, you'll find, any day now you'll find, there we go, um, kind of an overall of how you're doing. So these exams on the top are the ones that are located over in Eagle. And remember that those are 40% of your score. And the rest of these are the other 60% of your score. So what you can do is just add up everything here, and do the simple math, left hand column divided by right, or give it the calibrated eyeball and see where you are. The other way to do this is if you come in here through custom view. Hopefully you can see this. Hopefully it's working. There we go. This one at least cuts out a little bit more of the bullshit. Yours is going to look differently than mine because I don't have scores in anything, but yours will. So that's how you can use my IT lab to see what your scores are. If you happen to be one of the students who can't see your score over in Eagle, just shoot me a message so I get a feel for how pervasive an issue that is. I've reached out to a couple of students over the course of the last 2 weeks, and I can't find a pattern any place. So let me know if you can or cannot see your score in Eagle. That'll help me hopefully track down the issue. But in the meantime, this is what you can do to figure out how your score is doing overall. The closer to 60% that you see here in my IT lab, the better off that you are.